Unboxing the phrase, powdered milk, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unpack a commonly used phrase, powdered milk. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting facts. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. Powdered milk, also known as dried milk, is a dairy product made by evaporating milk to dryness. It's a great alternative to regular milk because it has a longer shelf life and is more convenient to store. In this section, we'll dive into its composition, types, and usage in everyday life. Did you know that powdered milk has a fascinating history? It was first made in the 19th century and has played a significant role in various historical events. This section will explore its invention, historical significance, and how it has evolved over the years. Here, we'll focus on how to incorporate the phrase, powdered milk, into your daily English conversations. We'll look at common expressions, colloquial uses, and even some idiomatic expressions related to powdered milk. Powdered milk isn't just for drinking. It's a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. We'll share some simple and delicious recipes that use powdered milk. From baking to cooking, you'll learn how powdered milk can be a handy ingredient in your culinary adventures. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of powdered milk and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and don't forget to explore new phrases and words in your language learning journey. See you in our next video.